Good morning, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and today our video is going to be about the Holiday Beauty Box. And if you guys have not checked out the blog at kimsbeautybiz.com, please do. I give you a product list of everything that is included in the beauty box and a little insider information on that. But today, the video that I want to show you, the two products that are inside the beauty box always is our Lancome Advanced Genifique Serum and our Lancome Genifique Eye Cream, that both are in the beauty box, and each of these are $67. The beauty box is $68, so you are getting the whole contents of the beauty box for the price of either one of these products that both come in the beauty box. So ladies, we are talking a major bargain here for the holidays. And our Advanced Genifique Serum, why it is so unique, it has a Pop-Top Dispenser that helps you dispense exactly the amount that you need so you have no waste. And we're going to drop it on our fingertips, rub together, and apply with our 5-point system. And when we apply with the 5 points, we work up and out from there around the eye area and up and out across our 5 points of contact when we are applying beauty products. Now for our Genifique eye cream, we'll take a small amount, and I use the ring fingers because the skin around our eyes is the most sensitive area of skin that we have. So I'm just dabbing, I'm not pulling, and I'm going to dab it gently around and then work it ever so gently around the eye area with our ring fingers and out toward the area that gives us our crow's feet, like such, hand over hand, to dispense the eye cream. And I just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of some of the products that are in the beauty box. Also, the brushes that I've been telling you about. The double-sided, this is a contour and cheek brush, is in the beauty box this year. We also have our Definiseals primer that I did a video on, that is also in the beauty box. And the Hypnose Drama Mascara. So ladies, everything that I've been making videos about are in the beauty box. The lipsticks are amazing. The charcoal pencil, the black one that glides so velvety smooth, you cannot miss this holiday beauty box. And if you go to any Lancome counter, there's a display, and you're going to see exactly what you get. You are going to pick from warm shades or cool shades, and I am a cool, so I always pick the cool box. And it comes with 3 lipsticks and all the stuff listed. Check the blog or kimsbeautybiz.com on the Lancome page will give you more information. And this is a $68 value when you purchase $39.50 of products. So the blog post this week was talking to you about the translucent powder, that I think the two best deals are the translucent powder that will give you enough qualifier to purchase the beauty box for $68.50, and also the Lancome foundation, which is $39. Well, this is the Lancome Absolute is more than that, but the Tawny Doll is $49, and with between your foundation and everything in the beauty box that's offered, it's a full face of makeup, ladies. Nowhere can you get a full face of Lancome luxury makeup for a little over $100 with tax and everything, and get an excellent customer experience at the same time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and the little insider tips that I'm sharing. As always, if you're watching from YouTube, please subscribe below and hit the bell. You'll get notifications every time I make a video. Thank you for supporting me and all our small business owners. Have a good day.